Outside, I say. Nature kid, we up and running. Alright, now I'm there. St. James, Montego Bay. Sweet Jamaica. Montego Bay, you know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm on my journey heading down to Negril. So you know we stop right there, so I try to get some food. Real way. See you pray. Yeah, that's Sanders Montego Bay right there. Alright. See a boy outside. Up and running. More beer pray. Believe no man. You ready? Hit the road again. Yeah. So now go on outside. You see it? Sandals. Right through, right here. You don't pray. Yeah. Up and running, man. More beer there. We're there at Montego Bay, Oach. No Oach, we left Oach. Now we're there at Mobile, heading to Negril, you know what I mean? Straight. Ready again? Yeah, man. Level 4, so. Yeah, man, outside, man.
Oh, damn it. No more straw in here.
You want more straw?
Yeah.
Only chicken again?
Yeah.
And I butter?
No more straw in there back then. Yeah, no more straw. Like how don't eat that?
Let me get straw.
Yeah, because you can't drink without straw.
You get my straw,
Nah,
So,
I can drink without straw. You can't, you wait up the place.
no, I'm not.
There's no way. The vehicle I want to drive.
Yeah, man. More beer settings. Sure. Alright, the best. Yeah.
Go on, Donnie.
I got you, mama. Yes, I am. Thank you. Here's some straw. If you turn up in all the world. Yeah. Up and running. You watch YouTube, check out my YouTube channel, Nature Kid, yeah? Nature Kid Way. Bang. Outside the kid there. I'm gonna say right now, straight to Negril. You see pray? And I slide through Mobile side right now. On the way to Negril. Banging! See a gas station down by my side, now stop and full up. That's the name Iron Shore Montego Bay. Yeah. Full up some petrol and keep moving. Stay tuned.
Syria for make you bite it.
White House, fly, my fly. Won't be an airport right here, man. It's the jet plane. Jet plane over there, man. Jet blue. Jamaica, my boy, yo, bang it. Nature Kid Way.
What?
Nature Kid Way.
Nature Kid Way. Okay.
Big up somebody. Who you want to big up? Shout out somebody, bro.
Phase one.
Phase one.
Yeah.
Heart of love.
Yeah.
Check me out, man. Nature Kid Way. Subscribe. Alright? Banging. Up and running. Yeah, man. People, man, check out the Rasta channel. Let's see it free. Yeah, man. The airport right over there. Yeah. So I drive through Montego Bay right now. More beer settings. Jamaica land, yeah? Boulevard. journey to Negril, you know what I mean? So right now we're in Montego. Traffic, you know? Call it the mobile traffic. And this now man not tell me about the mobile traffic something. Look at that view over there, man, by the airport. Yeah, you can look over to my right. You see the airport, the plane, and everything. Look now. See the plane. Yeah. View. Mobile traffic, stand up, brother. Look one of you over there. See it?
After this one?
I'm gonna get that certain. Here's 12 minutes off. Yeah. You know what I mean? I don't feel what I'm on this. Oh, the truck and causing traffic. This is what causing all this traffic right here, man. This truck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, look out over there, so you see. Trust me. Nah, man. See that? Look over there. Trust me, man. Beautiful. Yeah. Banging again, not that way, man. Grass, so we are grass on part. Alright.
That's your food and everything.
Look at that view over there, sir. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that, girl. Yeah, man, this is Montego Bay. I hit that. Yes, my people, we are drive through Mobile reach and Nigger. So right now, like, share and subscribe to Nature Killer. Outside banging. Journey to Negril, you know what I mean? Driving through Montego Bay. That is it. Art I love. Bless.